bonus reading for February the 20 to the 21st, Earth signs. We have the Knight of Cups, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. So nakikita natin dito yung fluctuations of energy, probably you or your person, kasi nandito na yung love, no? Nandito naman talaga yung pagmamahal. Kumbaga meron na kayong pagkakaunawaan. For a few numbers of you, parang hindi na nga natin kailangan pang i-discuss kung anong klaseng relationship ito. We both know what is happening. Kaso, parang either because of leniency, either because of complacency, either because of no label, nagkakaroon ng fluctuation. So parang ang takbo niya is pahinto-hinto. No? Minsan aandar, minsan, stop over, tas aandar uli. Pero kahit ganun yung nangyayari, I think to a point na siguro may nanawa dito, umayaw ng bahagya. Pero parang magpapatuloy pa rin ito. Kumbaga gradual yung changes, pero ang tawag doon? Consistent. Ayan. Yung growth is consistent. So this is your bonus reading for February the 20 to the 21st, Earth signs.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.